Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the default launch page in the Evernote app. This feature allows you to set your preferred starting point, be it notes, tasks, shortcuts, or calendar. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Evernote app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top left. Then, from the menu that appears, select the Settings option. After that, navigate to Navigation within the Settings menu. Now, tap on Default Launch Page. Here, you'll see a list of available options. Create. Quickly start a new note, task, or event. Notes. View all your notes across notebooks. Tasks. Access your to-do list and tasks. Shortcuts. See your pinned notes, notebooks, or tags. Calendar. View your Evernote events and integrated calendars, and others. Finally, select the option that best suits your workflow. The app will update instantly, and your chosen page will appear each time you open Evernote. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.